So today we're going to unbox the Wyze solar panel. Now this solar panel can be used with either a micro USB or a USB-C cable. It includes a little adapter. It'll work with the Wyze Cam Outdoor version 1, the Wyze Cam Outdoor version 2, as well as the newly released Wyze Battery Cam Pro. Just a little picture, record for longer, continuous power, weather resistant, mountable, etc. Wyze solar panel, little picture, Wyze, yep. Let's open it up. Nice. So it includes a nice little quick start guide. Looks nice and helpful, like when it has detailed pictures. Be sure to update the firmware version of the camera to the latest. All right, you got it. So here is the actual solar panel. It's out of this contraption box here. There we go. Wyze solar panel. Very nice feeling quality. Really nice and long cable. I like that. And that's it for that. Then in here, this looks like mounting gear. Yep, so all the mounting gear to mount the solar panel, and then lastly, your adapters. So that's it for the box. So on the end of this is a normal like micro USB cable that can either go out to a micro USB cable. So like this will plug into one of the old Wyze Cam Outdoor version 1 or version 2 cameras. But this one is the one we would need for our Wyze Battery Camera Pro. So we'd be able to just stick this part onto there, keep this little weatherproof sleeve on it good and tight. And then this will plug into our Wyze Battery Cam Pro and we're good to go. So let me get this mounted and I'll show you what it looks like all put together on a Wyze Battery Cam Pro. All right, so we have installed the solar panel. We have the cable here, just waiting on the camera to get mounted above it, and then plug the solar panel into the camera. All right, now we have our mounts installed. Now we just screw on the camera and plug it into the solar panel. And there we go. Now our Wyze Cam Battery Pro is wired up to our solar panel. The sun will hit this solar panel to charge up the battery inside of here, so I never have to take this down to recharge it.